Welcome to ENTRA Languages, your structured path to mastering Spanish.
If you're looking for a clear step-by-step way to learn Spanish, you're in the right place. On this channel, you'll find structured Spanish courses, starting from beginner and progressing as you improve. Each lesson consists of 3 parts designed to help you learn efficiently and with confidence.
Here's how it works. Learn essential vocabulary and grammar points. Practice with interactive exercises. Listen, repeat, and respond before the correct answer appears to truly absorb what you've learned.
Ready to start? See you in the first lesson.